Let me show you how to change background picture, background color in your photo. For that, we have a website called eragebg.bg. Just upload your image here. I'll select it and upload image from here. Then you can see it's my original, and then this one is cropped. So this one is cropped now. And if you want to change the background, you can just click on edit here. You can see edit option, just click on edit, and then from here you can change whatever color you want, right? So you can see I can change any color. If you want walls, you can change wall as well. If you want to change with flag, you can change it in this way, and then simply click on download. The image will be downloaded without any watermark or anything. Your pic will be downloaded. Just click open, and then you can see I have my picture. Thank you so much for watching.